darkest desert, through the deepest snow. Forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been. In the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see.
Day, Mylene, kumusta man mo diha? Regard sa tanan. Happy birthday di ay. Bisan ulahi na mi, mugret lang gihapon mi kay saon man awahi man sa imong birthday. I wish you all everything and good luck sa imong birthday. Happy birthday. More years to come. O maayong lawas sa kanunay. Himsog o baskog. Tanang lawas nga mahimong imong gamit panguan gyud sa ato ang may kapal nga tabangan kagayadon aron sa ingon pag maligo ni gihapon ang imong kadlawas suban sa imong pamilya kay sige ka lang ra dihag trabaho wala kay pahuway. So good luck o kumusta na lang mo dihang tanan. Regards mong tanan diha. Marie Lorena, kumusta? Oh, happy birthday.
50th birthday. We wish you all the good health and more blessings to come. And we miss you and we love you.
Happy birthday, Ate May. Wish na ko nga good health always. Uban sa imong pamilya, nila Dodo, ni Angel. Then, more blessings to come. Labi na sa inyong negosyo nga unta successful. Kabalo ko nga ihatag yun na ni God sa inyo ha, tanang-tanang tungod sa inyong pagkabutan. Usmo na ko, Ate May. Happy birthday and good health always.
Happy birthday, May. Amping ka nung na rehearse na ako ka-angel or kayo.
Happy birthday, May Melen. My birthday to come.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Mylene.
Sigwinta naman dahil ka. Wish you all the best and good health. Okay, sa imong birthday.
Happy birthday na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy Mylene. I wish you good health and a fantastic golden birthday. I wish to see you again and have a good birthday.
Hi, Te. Happy birthday. We know na you are already blessed in so many ways. So, wish lang na mo sa imuha is to have a healthy and joyful life. God bless you always, Te, and hope to see you again soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate May.
Happy birthday, Ate May.
Wishing you all the best.
And God bless you. And thank you sa Pemi pag-welcome sa mga every time mo nag-visitan. And again, happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Birthday, Mylene. And may God bless you. More birthdays to come. Good health. Love with a happy family.
Hello, Mylene. Thank you for your medical assignment. Declaration namin sa iyong birthday. From 7 verse 4. Delight in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. And we declare blessing upon you. 4 years younger in your life. God will pour out more blessings in our family. And you will gamiton pa ka sa Ginoo.
Yes.
Para nagkakagyung pa kaila sa iyaha, makabato ng relationship. Ginoo na, nagkakatong Ginoo for your life. Salamat kayo sa mga kinabuhi. Salamat sa mga hospitality while we are there in Japan.
Yes, thank you so much.
Nobody ka magkakayo.
Of course, happy family. And once again, happy 50th birthday. Happy birthday!
Hello.
Hello.
Happy 50th birthday,
Happy 50th birthday. Golden girl na ka, ate.
God bless you.
Wish you more birthday to celebrate, ate.
Yes.
With God's protection and guidance. More graces and
more blessings and good
healthy
health.
and enjoy your birthday, ate.
Dili ano kang ikay ka maklaro. Love you. Love you all. God bless us. See you
God
soon.
bless.
Next year po. Love you guys. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Maylin. Inautong ka, ngatagan pang mga katuigan, nga moabot sa imong kinabuhi. Ug mayong panglawas, ubarasya, nga mulambok nga nunay. Aron makatapang ka sa mga nanginahanglan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate May. God bless.
God bless.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Maylin. God bless. Enjoy your cheers.
Love you. Inang, maayong adlaw. Dalay ko ng Diyos. Tungod kay gitagaan na po kaniya og laing katuigan sa imong kinabuhi para magselebrar sa imong adlaw na tawhan. Happy 50th birthday. Grabe. 50 na katuiga. Tikaw-tikaw aning kalibutan na. Sa manguta na ta. Bitaw din ang wish na ako kauban sa akong pamilya na maayong paglawas sa kanunay. Tagan pagka taas na kinabuhi. Hilikay ka sa mga disgrasya. Malipayon kami tungod kay sa imong pangidaron karon nga 50. Makita ka po ka na mo na ginki, healthy, walay gipamati. Do natay mga gipamati diya nga ginagmay basi madala nagbangil-bangil sa katingko o omega. Grabe na lang, thankful jud kay ko ba kay tungod maski layo na ta, wala gyapon mo nakalimot sa kuha. Layo pug ako'y makalimot ninyo, no? Ang atong friendship ba, murag taas-taas na yun, murag sobra dekada na. Unsa man, putlo na nato. Happy birthday and enjoy your day and thank you kay sa tanan gyud. Kabalo jud ka ana, kamo ni kay Johnny. Salamat jud kay sa tanan. Ay manghinaot ko nga makita pa ta ninyo puhon. God bless and take care. Saranghayo.
Happy 50th birthday sa iyo. Ngayon sana wish ko lang stay strong and healthy pa rin. Kahit na 31 plus 19 ka na ngayon, malakas pa rin tayo, no? Siguro pagdating ng panahon, hulingin na ako ulit para ano, kasi medyo hindi naman tagilid dito, okay naman, kaya lang mahirap, pero sige. Ngayon, happy birthday Ate Maylin.
Happy birthday Ate May. I wish you all the best in good health and many more birthdays to come. Thank you for being one of my best ate ever. Manay is always here whatever happens. Thank you for everything. I miss you all. Always remember, even though kahit wala ko sa birthday mo, you are still in my heart. Sana patuloy pa rin ang pag-asenso ng negosyo ninyo. Mag-iingat kayo palagi ni Kuya ating Angel. Hi! Love, Mama!
Kumaring Maylin, wishing you a fantastic day filled with joy and laughter for your 50th birthday. Enjoy your special day. Omidito, Utan Judy. See you soon. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, konbanwa. My name is Jane. I am Mylin's friend from Davao City, but I'm currently based in Los Angeles now. I met Mylene when we both joined Singles for Christ back in 2000 or 2002. So that's about at least 20 years ago. We also belong to this group that we're able to do household meetings where we share God's goodness or maybe our struggles for the week. So because of that experiences, we were able to establish a God-centered friendship. So despite the lack of communication or distance, Mylene and I know how to reconnect every time we get the chance to chat. So genki desu ka? I'm not great in this. I hardly post pictures, more so create videos, but I want you to know that I am very grateful to be given this opportunity to honor you today, to let you know how much I appreciate your friendship, to let you know how great of a person you are, and that I am very, very proud of all your achievements. Happiest birthday, Mai. You take time to rest. I wish you only the good this world has to offer, especially the best of health, peace of mind, and that I hope you get to spend more time with your family and take some time to enjoy life. You take care, Mai, and know that I love you and that I'm always here for you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mylene. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday, Mylene. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mylene.
Hi, Ma. It's me, Ate Evelyn. Mag-message ko or mukanta ko? Balag yung pag-mukanta ko ay hara na akong takat. I am here to greet you on your natal day. I am here to see you a birthday around the world. It is your happy birthday. I am happy too. Now I sing with all my heart because I love you so. It is a birthday round the lane, happy holiday. It is a happy birthday round the lane, It is a happy holiday. It is a happy birthday round the lane. Bahalag niya pag basta giharada ta kamay. Happiest 50th birthday. It's the start of your golden time. Welcome to the club. Thank you for always being the courier of my love to my family through Angel's Box. Ikaw palagi ang nagdadala ng aking pagmamahal sa aking pamilya. And thank you for being my family here in Japan for more than 2 decades. I love you, Mai. Thank you for always being there. You're such a blessing to others. And I know that lahat nagmamahal sa'yo. Marami nagmamahal sa'yo. And isa na ako doon. So, on behalf of Nobu, me, and my kids, and my family in the Philippines, we wish you a very, very happy, wonderful, and joyful 50th birthday. I love you, Mai. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mai. Happy 50th birthday. Welcome sa golden years ng buhay. Wala akong ibang wish sa'yo. Hindi ang maging happy ka, magkaroon ng malusog na pangangatawan at syempre, laging ligtas. Pasensya ka na hindi ako nakasama sa special day mo, pero alam mo malaman ako dyan, nasa puso naman kita palagi.